Welcome everyone. It's Tony Ann. We're still in Palmbrook Estates. So we have another lot here for you that came up. This is lot 167. There is the sign. We're on a lovely road here in the community. Can you see there's a neighbor building already? So this is the lot in front. Right? A little bushy right now, but it's flat. All right, and it goes right to that light post right there, right? So that's the land. If you're interested in this one, call me on it, 876-292-6776 or 876-370-8138. You can even call the office number, 876-906-7174. We are open for business, ladies and gentlemen. Give me a call. Do have a wonderful day.